What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What's going on today? It's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I've got something very special for you. You can tell by the title, you can tell by the thumbnail. It's always right in your face. We got something beautiful here today. We got a beautiful truck here today, all the way from Delaware to be on the channel. So I want to give a huge, huge Bread Gang welcome to Mr. Rosen _ there might be 2 underscores, but I'll make sure later on. Came through today to come film with the boys, and I'm just super excited. We've been friends on Instagram for a long time, and we're finally getting together to film and just go over the truck, have some fun. We're gonna hang out for the afternoon, maybe go eat some crappy Chinese food at the Chowking buffet right there that we're always smelling next door at the tent shop, and just cut the fuck up. To be honest, I mean, that's what we're gonna do. You got two of one of the eventually these trucks will be rare. They only made this body style for two years. So you got 2 potentially rare trucks hanging out together, and then the other Joe Blows back there. It's gonna be a solid day. 2015 Silverado with the Mcgaughys lift kit. So actually, he's one of the first people that I know of to have the new style Mcgaughys lift kit, because it's got the polished inserts in it. Mine does not have the polished insert. Mine does not have the polished inserts. Wow, that's a mouthful. This is one of the newer kit that Mcgaughys has come out with. Just a little a little bit of an update that they're doing. So right now he is sitting at 11. So he's got the Mcgaughys 7 to 9 inch lift kit with the adjustable 9 inch struts with the I want to say it's a 2 inch leveling kit stacked on the bottom. So he is sitting at 11 right now, which is why this truck looks a lot bigger than mine does. But he's also got 26x14s and 37s. So we got a 37, 13, 50, 26 with the Axe off-road wheels. I kind of like those, like the baby blue or turquoise. What would you call that color? The lug nuts. Kind of a nice little accent for the chrome. We got some double row wheel lights, only white, but honestly white is super clean. If I had a choice to just do white, I might do it, because I mean, white's really the color everybody wants to go with. White is super clean. It bounces off the chrome wheels really well. If you have big chrome wheels, you need wheel lights, because I just think it looks really good riding down the road, especially at night when you have the light bouncing off the wheel. But I will say, I've seen a lot. These wheels are very, very popular right now. I don't know what happened, but these wheels just exploded in the truck game, and a lot of people have these 26s right now. I like them. They look pretty good, but a lot of people do have these right now, which is why, because they look pretty good. I don't get to see blue Silverados like this a lot, especially in my body style, so I really like this color. I've had a lot of blue trucks on the channel recently, and it's pretty close to the blue that we've had on like the 2019s and 2020s. It's got that little bit of fine flake in it, and he actually just had this whole truck paint corrected, so it's looking really good right now. And to me, this is just a super, super clean truck. This is a direction you can go, as opposed to mine, as far as the color combination that you can do. So he's got the blue with the all chrome. I've got more of a silver and black. So I mean, it just kind of gives you a comparison of what you can do with the same truck with a little bit of different coloring. Now, essentially, they're the same exact truck. He's got a 2015, I've got a 2014. He actually has 14 style headlights in this 15, and really the only difference was the 2015s came with the projectors. Mine did not, and which is why I was saying that these are a 14 style headlight, because these do not have the projectors in the back. But nonetheless, he's got the clear the clear side markers that everybody wants. I get probably at least 2 or 3 messages a week about the clear side markers on my truck, and honestly, I don't know where to find them. He doesn't know where to find them. We both got them offline off of like just some random website, and they're always out of stock now every time we go back and look. So don't ask me where the headlights came from. Don't ask him where the headlights came from, because we don't know. But you better go follow my guy on Instagram. What do you guys think? You guys like the blue? I'm a big fan of the blue. Big fan of the blue. We got the black upper control arms with the silver insert. One thing that I really like about this truck, and this goes back to him having one of the newer Mcgaughys kits, is his was one of the first to come with the different torsion bars up front. Were these torsion bars? Whatever the hell they are. I can never remember what the name for these are. But if you guys have seen mine is just a solid bar. These are actually just like the traction bars. They have that same traction bar style. And I really wish I could have gotten these, but I don't know if they were available at the time when I got mine. But I really, really like these as opposed to just a solid bar. Took the boys to get some shitty Chinese food that wasn't actually that bad.
Yeah, pretty good.
It was pretty good, to be honest. It's the Chow King restaurant that's right here next to the tent shop. I just realized, look at all the donut. Like, holy shit. They've been having some fun out here. I cannot wait to get the single cab. Oh my goodness. Thomas, what are we doing with the single cab?
We're dropping a 6.0 in it.
We're putting a 6.0 in it, baby. Look, that's my witness. It's coming out of his truck.
Hell
right?
Hell
let's
yeah.
go see it. Let's go see it. Come on, let's go see it. Come on.
What?
Come on, let's go see it. Let's go see it. Yeah, let's go see it. Come on.
It still has a latch.
Oh, it's still got a latch.
The Jeeps don't.
So my truck has a 5.3 and it's still got a pretty decent amount of power. I'm really excited to have a little single cab long bed that weighs pretty much nothing. And it's gonna have a 6.0 Vortec in it. Like,
is the LQ4 long block.
LQ4 long block.
Yep.
Woo! Damn, that's gonna be nice. I'm essentially building an SS single cab is what I'm doing, because I don't know if the SS has had the 6. I would assume the SS had the 6.0 in it. It's got the 6.0 Vortec, and you have the 6L6. The what is it? The 4L60. So you actually have a 4L60 in this?
Yeah, and there's just a 4-speed too. Yeah, I wish I had a 6-speed.
So that proves my point that the 4L60 that's in the single cab will bolt directly up to this. Now I don't know if they have the same motor mounts, but
they probably sell something for it.
We'll make it work. We'll make it work. The trans bolts up to it. We'll make it work. So, you know, just so you guys know, we're probably going to end up dropping the 6.0 in it. I'm super excited to see what Thomas does with this anyway. You should get a 6.2 for it.
It's more money than
It's more money from a 6.0 to 6.2? Yeah. Is it because it's just newer?
I guess. Newer and
that's
and the one I'm getting is
lame.
refurbished. So it's just a rebuild motor.
You're gonna cam it and stuff?
I may.
Ooh.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see. He said we'll see. We'll see. Here we go. Day number 2 of driving the $300 truck. Hey, it's turnkey for 300 bucks.
Can't complain.
I literally cannot complain about a single thing. I got my boy Jack Wiseman behind the camera today.
What's up?
Got my favorite subscriber in the world. I will go ahead and say that. My favorite subscriber. More of a friend, more family than anything. He's not just a, all right now. There we go.
Family.
Gotta let it warm up a little bit.
Fast and Furious, baby.
So I'm about to go. I tried to clean this thing up a little bit today, but it's cold. All I did was pressure wash it a little bit, so there wasn't really much I could do. So we'll deal with that tomorrow. But for now, Jack's in town for at least a couple hours. We're gonna head over to the tent shop, see what they got going on over there. We're gonna park the truck. I leave it here at the shop because this truck doesn't have a tag or anything yet, so there's not much I can do with it anyway. But for now, we're gonna head to the tent shop and see what the boys got going on over there. I can back into your ass. I can't park forward for nothing, but I can back into your ass. You get enough room over there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Back on in there. Bam.
Booyah.
I do want to let you guys know I have drop shackles coming at the end of the week. I'm gonna do something with the exhaust, I think, this week on my truck and this one. And I'm looking for some wheels right now. So there's not much I can do with the bed right now. There's not much I can do with the front end because I plan on swapping all that shit out. So really right now, I think this weekend we might take the bed off and start just kind of cleaning up underneath the truck, cleaning up the frame and stuff like that. Because I really want this truck in the long run to be super nice. So I think currently that's the plan.
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.